Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling the tool so it's ready when you need it. Open Settings, then Control Center and add Screen Recording. This makes the button appear immediately. If you plan to narrate, enable microphone audio now so your voice records with the screen. Once done, prepare the app or content you want to capture, close notifications, and clear passwords so nothing leaks. This step saves time and prevents interruptions, making the actual recording smooth and professional. Now you'll start recording and confirm settings. Swipe to open Control Center and tap or long press the screen recording icon to reveal microphone audio and other options. This is where you control sound. Choose Start Recording and the countdown begins. Use that time to switch to the app you prepared. Make sure the red status bar or red pill appears. That indicates the device is capturing. If you need taps shown for tutorials, use a third-party app separately, because built-in. Finish by stopping and saving your clip correctly. Tap the red status bar or open Control Center and press the screen recording button again. The video automatically saves to Photos. Once saved, open Photos to trim start or end points, edit, drag handles, then save as new clip to keep the original. If you hear no audio, make sure microphone audio was enabled, check privacy permissions for the app, and if needed, restart the app or the iPad. This quick troubleshooting fixes most recording problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.